Finding the right company to build your career can be challenging. Meet Joe. Joe is looking for his next big career move. He is a driven and ambitious individual, looking for a stable career where he enjoys what he does every day. He knows what he wants, but hasn't found the right place to grow. After countless days of searching job boards, nothing was exciting. Nothing stood out. Nothing sparked his interest. Determined to pursue his goals, he continued to search for the perfect fit until finally he came across Local Splash. Local Splash is a digital advertising company that offers 100% remote opportunities, voted best place to work for 3 years in a row, and listed as Inc. 5,000 top growing companies. Joe decided to take a closer look. He decided to read through their vision, goals, and culture. The more he read, the more excited he got. Beyond the paid vacations, the uncapped bonuses, and the growth opportunity, the thought of being able to help other businesses achieve success intrigued him. Every new day was a learning experience, and he was surrounded by peers willing to help him succeed. The team was supportive and encouraging. They cared about his opinion and feedback. They were a group of productive, hardworking, and fun individuals, just like him. The diverse culture was laid back with an emphasis on being yourself. Joe loved it. You could be Joe. If you are looking for a career that's more than a career, a team that is like family, and a life where you enjoy what you do every day, Local Splash could be what you are looking for. Check out our website and apply today at localsplash.com.